Thank you for purchasing the Liteway Tri-Walker. We've put together this short video to help you with assembly and to make sure you get the very best out of your new CareCo product. Your rollator will arrive fully boxed as seen here. If the box is still fitted with these plastic ties, simply cut them loose with a pair of scissors. Your Liteway Tri-Walker will arrive readily assembled and folded. We'll now show you how to open and fold the Tri-Walker correctly. Once you have removed all the protective packaging, open up the Tri-Walker frame and push downwards on each side of the seat until it clicks into place. If you don't hear a click, please pull this bar beneath the seat to secure it in place. To fold the Liteway, lift the seat connecting the two sides of the frame up and pull the two sides of the Tri-Walker together. Now it's time to attach the handlebars. Inside a clear plastic bag, you'll find bolts and star knobs to attach the handlebars. Make sure these are disconnected so they're ready for immediate use. Insert the handle tube into the rollator frame, ensuring the cable is on the outside. Select the required height and insert the bolt through the frame and handle, making sure the bolt is all the way through cleanly. Attach the star knob to the other side of the bolt and tighten. Having the handlebars at the right height will avoid any unnecessary strain on your hands and wrists and will allow you to move around with a correct and healthy posture. Please keep all packaging safe and secure in the dry, just in case you need to return the item. For your safety, please make sure you take the following steps when using the product. Firstly, adopt a comfortable posture and make sure that you can operate the brakes with ease. Make sure that the Tri-Walker is fully folded out and test the brakes prior to use. And finally, make sure the brakes are locked when using the seat, and when sitting, make sure to be sat in the centre of the seat. Be sure your CareCo Liteway Tri-Walker is in proper working order at all times. You can do this by keeping the walker clean. Wipe down the walker with a damp cloth on a regular basis. Securely tighten all nuts, bolts and screws at regular intervals. It's important to replace any solid wheels that become cracked or severely worn. And finally, check the front caster wheel and ensure it swivels freely. Please contact CareCo for any repairs required. If you have any questions about the Liteway Tri-Walker or its assembly, then just give us a call and speak to one of our customer service advisors, or you can look on the website or pop into one of our showrooms. Thanks for watching. Take care.